magic of an accompaniment tailor-made in the fashion of today. For this occasion, this singer and this song, brilliant, arresting, extravagant.
Foolish I was, but didn't know I wanted though. Walking my path, missing all my chances blow. Losing my mind when she eyeing me down. Finding my reasons not to even go around. I guess you could say I was shy, but no I wasn't. I didn't have the words to say, but I was bugging. Even my friends asking why I'm tripping, man. They say I need to hit it and quit it and leave it, man. But she wasn't the same. I was willing to change, even though I was scared. I was feeling the strain. I was leaving the game, and I thought it was strange, but I needed to claim with no reasons to shame. I needed to go with no other second to waste before my next meeting with her could be a race. I prepared myself even though I wasn't ready. The man in me just yelling just to hold it steady. Gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta she's a one I need. Gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta she's a one I need. Gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta she's a one I need. Gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her. Yeah, different day leading my life, my time is ticking. Here I go, time frozen, I know she looking. Picking my ass up, I know I'm on a mission. Here I go, as I approach with my audition. I said hey, and she looked at me every way. Startled by her looks, beauty stole my words away. What took you so long, as she says, I gaze. Quickly snapped by her words that she made amazed. To my confidence that was already slim as shit. I told her I didn't know what to say, I must admit. She said I was the same, but I'm glad you admit. I thought you were cute, but didn't know if we would click. Let's have a talk over lunch and go from there. Tomorrow sound great, here's my number, see you there. I'm glad we talked, I said, and she give me stare. She smiled and said me too, and she waved, take care. Gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta she's the one I need. Gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta she's the one I need. Gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta she's the one I need. Gotta have her, gotta have her, gotta have her. Months turned into years, I knew she was the one. Needed this in my life to give me more than fun. Wanted this type of love in every way it comes. Never selfish with her, but never overdone. By the wisdom she gives, this is the only one.